Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott OES Rear Magnetic Shock for various GM SUVs, short wheelbase, and long wheelbase GMT900 with Magneride. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Shocks stored in one position for an extended period can cause the magnetic fluid to separate into its constituent materials. This can cause the damper to seem as if it is stiff or seized. This is to be expected and completely normal. The shock will function as intended once in use. Let's start the installation with the removal process. Set the steering to straight ahead. Then lift the vehicle and remove the rear wheel. Now locate and remove the airline to deflate the air shock. Turn the metal clip approximately 90 degrees to remove the airline fitting from the air shock. Locate and remove the electrical connector from the top of the air shock. Also loosen and remove the upper and lower shock mounting nuts. Next, support the axle to relieve pressure from the air shock's mounting points. Then remove the upper and lower air shock mounting bolts to remove the air shock from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Install the OES rear magnetic shock in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following Arnott's guide on installing an OES rear magnetic shock. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.